Hi you guys, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I am going to be showing you what's in my Made Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is how the box looks. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm always excited for Boxycharm. You guys know that I love it. So when you open it, it looks like this. And it always comes with like this little card. It says make waves. So it looks like this, you guys. Okay, so the first thing is I got this Glam Glow Gentle, I don't know why I never could talk. I got this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Okay, so if you didn't get this, you got like this coconut cream or something. I wanted this so bad, you guys, and I got it. I'm so excited. It looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. Oh my gosh, so this is a daily cleanser. So this is a daily cleanser, you guys. So I'm so excited about this. Like, I've been needing something for my face. I have been using the mask. I believe it's the charcoal mask I've been using, and the I forgot what it's called. But I will put it down here when I remember. All their masks works, so I'm excited about this. And it looks like this when it's out the box. I just want to see how it smells too. I was trying to open the whole thing. Hold up. Okay, well, it just smells like a cleanser. It don't have nothing. It's not a special scent or whatever, but I can't wait to use this. So I'm so excited about this. So I got that. So the next thing I got, you guys, is this Lustre Creme eyeshadow. It looks like this. And it says color shifting pigment. So let's see how this looks. Oh, this is pretty, you guys. Look at this. Oh, this is a pretty color. What is it? What's the color called though? It's in the shade Cupid. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know if you can, but it's in the shade Cupid. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh. Yes, I'm so excited about this. It looks like this, you guys. That is a pretty color. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh. I have been loving the Boxycharm boxes, as you know. I will do my Boxycharm favorites, I think next week, so stay tuned for that, you guys. This is the Steve Laurent. I think this is a lip gloss. Yeah, this is a lip gloss. It's in the shade Posh. And oh, this looks pretty. I like this color too. It's a nice little nude color. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is really pretty. Ooh, okay. I know I'm going to be using this a lot. So the shade is right here, you guys. Tell me if that's not pretty. That is a pretty color. So yeah, that's how that looks. I think I'm excited about everything in this box right now. Okay, so I got this Alamar Cosmetics. This is a blush trio. It looks like this, you guys. So pretty. I love the coloring, the packaging. I love the blue. Okay, I'm trying to, because it's taped. So I'm trying to open it. That right there. Okay, and it looks like this. So I am in the shade medium tan. So that's what they gave me. I must watch it. So this one's called Seclusion. So this one called Seclusion right here. I'm gonna swap that. Oh, this is a pretty. I'm gonna put it right here. So that's how that looks. And then I'm gonna swatch Isla. This one right here. Put that right here. So that's how that looks right here. That's pretty too. And then Toasted, which is right here. I think Toasted gonna be my favorite because I really don't like colors for my blush. So That's how toasted it looks. So very nice. Like I said, I love the packaging. It's so pretty. I love the blue, so I like that. Then last but not least thing is the what is this? It's called Vintage. This is the cashmere lip pencil in the shade Mocha. It looks like this. I like this. It looks so cute. I like this too. The packaging on this. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Ooh, oh, this is so pretty. With lip pencils, I use it as lipstick and I put lip gloss on top. So it looks like this, you guys, right here. Oh, tell me if that's not pretty. That is really pretty. So yeah, you guys, that is all I got for Boxycharm. I love everything I got this month. I am so excited. Yes. If you do not have Boxycharm, I recommend you do. Try it, you know, just to see how it is. You get full size everything. Look how big this tube is. Like, look how big this is for $22 a month. Look at all this. Look at all this stuff. I was trying to get it out the packaging, but look out the box. Look. And where's my lip pencil? You get all of this, you guys, every month. And sometimes you get eyeshadow palettes. Like, come on. I'm sorry. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just saying, like, it's a lot. I'm so excited about everything that I get in my Boxycharm. If I'm not excited, I'll let you guys know, like, I am not feeling that. But I love everything that I got this month. So yes, you guys. Yeah, so that'll be all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.